In the last video, we have seen how to create a Flask environment, to use Flask with Python to create a site. And now let's go back here, and let's open the command line, and let's create into this. Let's delete this and let's create it again. And so we want to go in our venv folder. Okay, that is in cd flask venv slash flask1. And now that we are here, we want to make a new dir called my site in flask 1, and there it is. And now we want to go in script and activate our virtual environment that I've called flask1. Now let's go into our folder that we just created. That is called, let's go back and let's go in my site in flask 1. And now let's open our editor that can be Visual Studio Code with code and a dot, so that it will open. So here is my site in Flask. Now let's close this and this. Now go with Shift, Control Shift and P, and use Python select interpreter. You see that you should have your virtual env here, but you could have not. And so if you don't have that in the way that I made you see, go into the preferences, into settings, and now go here and write venv, and you see that here I've already written my directory here, but if you have created your own, maybe different from this, you should go here into script. You see that you have python.exe here. Go here, copy the path to the directory, go here, paste it here, write another slash and write Python. Okay, and now you can close this and you go again, Control Shift and P, go Python, select interpreter. If you don't find it, write interpreter here and click on, you should see now this, that is a version 3.7.0 in Flask1 script, and this is where we have put our virtual environment. And so you can see that there is a VS Code file here where you have our Python path. That is where we put our virtual environment. So for now it's all, and let's see in the next video what's next.